Yes, mukasi akatugera kuba tulekera ekyatuleesya.
You must heed my words before I'm gone, my son. Now, you will be king. But the throne must pass to a male heir. Hakim, it appears you have a son. He must be found.
Prepare the royal jet. We are going back to America.
Oh, hell no, Your Majesty.
Come on! I'm back! Say it again! Feel right in this motherfucker! Feel good in this motherfucker! My whole hood in this motherfucker! Come on!
I'm the king of this shop.
That's funny as hell!
Well. Say it again.
It is so good to see you.
Well, I be damn. Look who done come up in here.
Hey, escuta quem tem a Nibola.
Famine and Blood Diamond.
Nelson Mandela and Winnie.
Those hungry babies with the flies on the face.
Hey, oh, that's too much. Now you stepped over the line. Now we won't be talking that kind of shit about the hungry babies. You're gonna have to get out of my chair.
Politically incorrect.
So what you doing back here, Hotel Rwanda?